How to fix Fall Guys missing files on Epic Games. For this, go ahead and launch your Epic Games on your PC and make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games account. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on the library section to search for your Fall Guy. So right here, you have to right click on the Fall Guy and you will find list of options, something like this. Tap on Verify next to Verify Files. By doing so, it will automatically search for any missing files and it will recover it itself, and you don't have to actually reinstall the game itself. You will find the option of auto update right here. Simply toggle it on as well to never miss out an update of Fall Guys. Now this should solve your problem. If your files is yet not recovered, you have to head back from here. Then go to your library section and again right click on your game and select the properties from the menu. Once you tap on properties, go ahead and tap on local files. Then tap on verify integrity of game files. This will again verify the game files and it is much similar to the previous process. However, this will take a while and it is more time consuming as well. So sometimes if your PC lacks the storage space, this problem may arise. For that, go ahead and open up your file explorer and check for your PC storage. If you do not have any, make sure to go ahead and delete some of the unwanted files as well. The last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.